What if I told you that you can start freelancing today, even if you have zero skills? Yes, you heard that right. With the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, thousands of beginners are now offering services online and getting paid from platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to start freelancing using ChatGPT. So make sure you watch till the end because I will also share beginner services you can start today. Welcome to AI Income Lab. On this channel, we talk about AI tools, online earning, and freelancing strategies that can help beginners build income online. If you want to learn how to make money using AI, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get started. First, you need to understand what ChatGPT actually does. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can generate text, ideas, and solutions within seconds. You can use it for writing blog posts, creating product descriptions, writing YouTube scripts, social media content, email marketing. Instead of spending hours writing content, ChatGPT can create a strong draft in seconds. Then you just edit and improve it. This is how many freelancers work faster and earn more. Now the next step is choosing a service you can sell. Here are some beginner-friendly services you can offer using ChatGPT: blog writing, YouTube script writing, product descriptions for e-commerce stores, social media captions, resume writing, email copywriting. For example, many businesses need product descriptions for their online stores. You can simply ask ChatGPT, write a professional product description for wireless headphones. Within seconds, it will generate content that you can edit and deliver to a client. Now it's time to create your freelancing profile. The best platforms for beginners are Fiverr, Upwork. On Fiverr, you create something called a gig. A gig is basically the service you are offering. Example gig title: I will write professional blog posts using AI. Or, I will write engaging YouTube scripts for your channel. Use ChatGPT to also help you write your gig description. Remember one important thing: do not just copy and paste AI content. Clients want high-quality work. So always, edit the text, add human touch, fix grammar, improve structure. You can also combine ChatGPT with tools like Canva if you want to offer content plus graphics. This makes your service more valuable. Getting your first client can take time, but here are some tips. Create a professional profile. Use clear gig titles. Offer competitive prices in the beginning. Deliver high-quality work. Also try to send proposals daily on Upwork. Even if you send 10 proposals daily, eventually you will land your first client. Consistency is the key. Freelancing is not about being perfect. It's about starting. With tools like ChatGPT, beginners now have a huge advantage. You can learn faster, work faster, and start earning online. But the most important step is taking action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to AI Income Lab. And comment below, do you want to start freelancing with ChatGPT? I will see you in the next video.